आपका दिल टूटा हुआ है, जिससे आप बहुत प्यार करते थे उसने आपको धोखा दिया, छोड़ दिया। बहुत ऐसा फील कर रहे हैं कि शायद ज़िंदगी में अब कुछ बचा ही नहीं है, शायद खुशी कभी मिलेगी ही नहीं, प्यार कभी मिलेगा ही नहीं। ऐसा बहुत बार होता है जब सेपरेशन होता है, डिवोर्स होता है, डेथ होती है। यंग एज में आप अपना प्यार किसी भी वजह से लूज़ कर जाते हो। कल एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और अच्छी एजुकेटेड इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल मेरे पास आई, बट हार्ट ब्रोकन, क्योंकि उनके बॉयफ्रेंड ने उनको छोड़ दिया। अब उन्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा था, उन्हें लग रहा था द वर्ल्ड हैज़ कम टू एन एंड, व्हाट टू डू। तो मैं आज आपसे कुछ ऐसी टिप्स शेयर करूंगी विच विल हेल्प यू टू ओवरकम योर grief and move forward in life. Are you interested to know that? So here are these tips. So I will share with you 9 tips to get over this breakup pain. First is get rid of things that remind you of him or her. It could be possessions, gifts, music, pictures, drawings, artwork, greeting cards, etc. etc. Right? Second is avoid contact with this person. If you're sure that you can be just friends, 100% sure, then it's okay. Otherwise, unfriend him, block him on all social media. Even you can delete his phone number. 3. Boost your spirit with physical activities. It could be new fitness regime, walk, sports, dance. It really helps. It secretes certain hormones which are called happy hormones. So your pain of breakup will get subdued. Number 4. Fall back on your support network. So don't stay alone. That's a bad idea. Have new friends. Meet your old friends. Make calls to them. 5. Always value yourself. You are really worth. You're most important person. You are the best person. Happiness is within you. Make yourself so capable that you can, make yourself worth, and the other person really feel, oh, I have lost something. You should not feel that I've lost somebody. That person should feel I have lost somebody who was so valuable. I remember recently a girl came to me who really again felt, she's not good enough because she wanted to marry this boy who was really doing well in life in terms of money and business. But when I really guided her, she decided to take charge of her life and she started working on herself. She grew so much. She's doing so well in life that the boy is now getting after her. So make yourself capable. 6 is accept it and forgive him or her. Don't just keep feeling angry, resentment, remembering incidents which hurt you. Number 7, stay active and organized. Develop new hobbies. Get into your work. Explore new things. You can plan travel. Stay active. Don't sit idle at home. 8, try to stay in present. Very easy to say, but yes, try to stay in present. Be patient. Give it time. You have been with your friend for many months or years or whatever. So give yourself time and be patient. 9, look forward to the future. I'm sure future is going to be bright. So घबराइए मत, इन टिप्स को फॉलो कीजिए। आपने एक मूवी देखी है डियर जिंदगी, उसमें जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट है वो बोलता है कि एक ही चेयर पे अगर आप बैठते हैं तो क्या उसी को आप खरीद के घर ले जाते हैं। आप और भी देखते हैं, आप देखते हैं कहाँ कंफर्टेबल है, कहाँ आपकी बैक हर्ट नहीं हो रही है, कौन सी रियली फिट होती है, कहाँ आप लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए बैठ सकते हैं मतलब कंफर्टेबली। सो आप आराम से डिसीजन लेते हैं। सो डोंट बी हर्ट बाय वन एक्सपीरियंस। प्लीज़ move forward, follow these tips. You can still look for a very bright future and a great love in your life, and don't look for that, it will come to you. Yeah, thank you, see you, bye bye.